life can bloom wherever it goes.
At last, the video of the toilet that everyone is asking me about. So at last I'm gonna explain to you what's happening. Since we came here to America, we found that these toilets are working like this. Come look here where this water is lying. Now this toilet water is lying fairly here. You get some of these, they're even higher. The water is only even lying higher. So what's happening is, when you go sit on it and you do your thing, then you push your hands in the water. That is the thing who bothered me about this toilet. So I figured it out very quickly. Come look how it works. That water, I don't know why this water is designed to be lying so high. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see there is the water line. And there's the earbud I put in. Okay, why they design it like that, I don't know. Because it doesn't suck stronger for me in this way. The suction is for me the same. So let us pull it. You see now that water is filling up. Now to stop that, you need to open here. So let us open here. When you open here, you now can notice the first thing you can look at is the level. Where is the level here? Because if the level is high like here, it is not normal. And you can adjust it with this knob. There's a little knob here. What this knob do is, this is the float who is closing this valve here. So when you adjust this knob, you can push this one more down. It means it will close this valve quicker. But that's not the main problem what I was complaining about. It's this pipe. I never saw this in South Africa, that you have this pipe. So this must be a new type of design. I will show you now when you pull it. There is a newer one I saw on one of the other toilets. It's got an extra knob here. And here you can adjust the water in the bin down here. So the problem is this pipe. This pipe is filling up the bowl down here. So that pipe filling up here. Okay, so let me pull it. And here you will see immediately, look at that stream of water. See that stream of water. Now I pulled it out now, so it cannot put the water in there. Now let us see here. Look where it is. I don't know if you can see where's the water level. Can you see where's the water level? I will show you also now. I just want this pipe to finish. When the bowl is full here, this one will stop automatically. So, you see where's the water now? And that is what we know how our South African toilets is work. And that is the quick fix. Normally, they have here is a little clip in here. And you can just clip it on the outside in there. But like this one, it doesn't have a clip, so you actually need to tighten it here with something. Like a cable tie or something, because this water is coming up and then it can lift up this one and it will make a mess outside the toilet. But let us pull it now. There's a normal toilet, like we know it. And now I'm gonna flush it. Is my hand in the way? Let me go here. I'm flushing it now. Look at the pipe there. It's gonna make a mess. But you see how in the bowl, still the same. And there is coming up again. Now, in this mode, the water will not come up here. It's not possible. So that is actually the quick fix of this one. Another thing that is different from our toilets is notice this this lever. Notice the lever. Normally in South Africa, the lever is sitting here on the right-hand side. But here it's on the left-hand side. It's just for the interesting sake for that. So yeah, I hope this toilet thing is explained now and that you understand it very nice. Thank you for watching.